So good morning to all. Hope you all are doing great. So today in this video we'll be discussing about Birla tires. So people who are regularly following me, they might be knowing how many videos I made on Birla tire. So in my previous videos when I discussed about Birla tire quarter results, so I discussed everything and also specially focused on the technicals, and I told that the people who are having shares can definitely hold them, and few people also commented that it's impossible for retracement. So few people told that, so that is their point of view, but I discussed that we need to hold. But one thing I want to tell that we can't decide anything. So if you're telling that it's impossible or retracement will not happen, so when many people are thinking that it will fall down, then definitely the stock will rise. So remember that thing. So when we think everything is going well, so opposite of that only happens. So we are not here to decide anything. So it completely depends on operators. So whenever results are very bad, it doesn't imply that the stock should continuously fall, especially when we focus on operator stocks. So in that cases the stock will never fall continuously, but at any point of time the retracement also will happen. And the same way, if results are also very good, it doesn't imply that the stock should continuously go on hitting upper circuits. So that is also not the case. Anything can happen. So majorly operators try to influence the market and they trap the retailer. So that is the main focus of them. So that's why I told. So that's my duty is to tell whenever operator will end and focus on the levels. So I told to hold this particular share, and you can see exactly from the 17 rupees level which I have discussed in the previous videos, it has given a retracement. Okay, so now we'll see the next possible levels, and also we'll try to see only the technicals. So fundamentals, everything almost I discussed in 3 to 4 videos. So we'll focus only on next levels. So if you see, when I made the video on Sunday, the current market price almost 19.35, and again on Monday also it has hit the lower circuit. So we discussed that or not. Okay, so people who are regularly following, they should watch the video so completely, so that they will not miss any update. If you watch in between, so you'll get confused to what to do. So I discussed everything. The video was also very lengthy, almost 16 minutes. I have discussed half video was about fundamentals only, and remaining I discussed about technicals. Okay, so let me show you that levels. So 17.74 was the level, and another two levels I told if everything if something goes wrong, then these will be the next support that I discussed, but mainly I focused on the 17.74 level. So now we'll see the current levels of this particular stock. Okay, so if you see, the current price is almost how much it is, 20.25. Okay, and you can see the same levels which we had discussed, that is 17.74, where a green candle has been formed and it has hit the upper circuit. Okay, I told people also who are holding to definitely hold this stock because see, the company reported losses, so that's okay. So when we see the returns of this particular company, if you see almost if we compare with Alok Industries, the returns of Birla tires were very much greater than as compared to Alok. Okay, almost Alok has Reliance support, but Birla tires has no support, even though it has given that much amount of returns. Okay, so company financials are not that great, so that is one negative thing. So when operators are present in any stock, they don't see anything, they just see how to manipulate the stock. Okay, if you came for returns into this particular stock, then definitely you will be satisfied. But if you are for financials, then this particular stock is not suitable. Okay, so that is what I am telling. Try to understand both perspectives as well. Okay, so here you can see it has respected that particular level, and then now it has started moving. So today it has gone to 20.25. Okay, if you see the immediate next levels, that is the resistances of this particular stock, you can see the 50 EMA, which is almost how much, you can see 21 rupees is the next we can say resistance for that, and it has we can say that it has obeyed that as well. Even at that region previously it has opened. So after that everything goes well, then 22 will be the next target. So even in Alok we discussed the same thing. So whenever these type of levels come, then definitely operators will become active and they start pumping and dumping. Okay, this is the main psychology or phenomena. So Vikas Propent, Vikas Multicorp, everything I've discussed. You can see current share prices, almost they are reaching their all-time high. So Vikas Multicorp all-time high. Vikas Propent has formed the bottom where we discussed. So it has also given a upper circuit. So only we need to understand the mindset. We need to see the volume analysis, and everything will go fine. You should not worry regularly. Should not get tense. You should not tell it's impossible for anything. We can't decide anything. Just we need to focus on levels. Okay, if we see the money flow index also is suggesting that a movement is further possible because it's pointing upwards. So now next we can see in 1 week chart as well is the same thing. So the support is taken very neatly. So next immediate resistance is at 22.76. From further everything goes well, then it will go up. So financials are only the major concern for the company. Okay. I think everything is clear. So people have not watched about the fundamentals of the company, they can watch that as well. So we also forgot to discuss one thing. So if you see today's volume also, we can see almost 13 lakh shares was still pending in the order book as well. So buying was seen heavily. Okay. In my previous videos also, if you not watched Marks and Pharma, do watch that. That's also a very good share. I've discussed everything about that as well. Okay, so even if we see Birla Tyre deliveries also increased a little bit, but traded quantity was also there. So we discussed that as well. So focus on the levels, stay patient. So main thing is that you need to have patience. You should not panic about anything. That when it started hitting lower circuits, so many people became panic and they thought that it will go to penny. Okay, so that will not happen. So whenever operators are present, that's impossible for that. Okay. So in next videos we'll discuss about another share. So until then, take care. Bye bye.